My whole vision in opening this company is to be able to deliver what we promise and stand behind what we deliver. We do have different services that we offer. You don't have to be in a contract to sign up with us. You could call us as needed. We could come in bi-weekly, and we could even help you with a customized cleaning as to the fact that if you decide that I got the dusting, but I can't do my bathrooms and my kitchen, I want you to be able to trust us to come in and deliver things that you cannot do on a regular basis or as needed. The whole reason why I decided to open my company was the fact that I believe that I could make a difference. I don't want to be any other cleaning company out there, because there are a lot of houses that other cleaning companies could clean as well. But believe me, I cannot do it all myself. But I want it to be a fact that I could leave an impression on you, and you would always remember me, because guess what? When you do dial our number, you would have me on the other line. And I will remember your name, and I will remember your dog's name, and I remember any pet you do have. But I want you to be able to trust me for me to be able to deliver a service to you in a comfortable way. And guess what? We could customize it to what you could afford. And that's the reason why we're affordable cleaning services.